Are you sick of diets that feel like punishment and leave you craving everything in sight? What if I told you there's a way to shed those stubborn pounds, boost your energy, and actually enjoy what you're eating? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into something that's got everyone talking, the 21-day smoothie diet. We're not just scratching the surface here. We're going to uncover how this plan works, why it's so popular, and I'll even share some of its most delicious, fat-melting recipes that taste more like a treat than a meal. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether this could be your game changer for a healthier, happier you. Let's be honest, trying to lose weight can feel like an uphill battle, right? You cut calories, you hit the gym, and sometimes the scale just doesn't budge. Or worse, you lose a few pounds, only to gain them back the moment you look at a slice of pizza. Most diets make you feel deprived, counting every single macro, weighing your food, and eating bland, boring meals. It's no wonder so many of us throw in the towel after just a few days. The biggest problem with traditional diets is that they're not sustainable. They demand too much willpower, they're often complicated, and they don't teach you how to make lasting changes. They're a quick fix that often leads to a quick revert back to old habits. And let's not forget the hunger. Constant hunger is a surefire way to sabotage any weight loss effort. This is exactly where the 21-day smoothie diet comes into play, offering a refreshing and surprisingly simple solution. Imagine replacing 2 of your daily meals with incredibly tasty, nutrient-dense smoothies that keep you full, curb your cravings, and flood your body with vitamins and minerals. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? This isn't just about blending some fruit. It's a carefully structured plan designed to kickstart your metabolism, detoxify your body, and help you burn fat more efficiently. The core idea is that by providing your body with easily digestible, whole food nutrition, you reduce your overall calorie intake without feeling starved. Plus, the high fiber content in these smoothies helps you feel full for longer, making it easier to stick to your goals. One of the best things about this diet is its simplicity and the sheer variety of delicious options. You don't need a degree in nutrition to follow it. The plan lays out everything for you, including grocery lists and a daily schedule. Let me share a couple of my absolute favorite recipes from the plan that really blew me away. First up, there's the Tropical Green Detox Smoothie. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Green smoothie sounds earthy. But trust me on this one. This gem blends spinach, you won't even taste it, pineapple, mango, banana, and a splash of coconut water. The tropical fruits completely mask the greens, leaving you with a sweet, tangy, and incredibly refreshing drink that's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's like a mini vacation in a glass, and it makes you feel instantly lighter and more energized. It's fantastic for a morning boost or an afternoon pick-me-up. The fiber from the fruits and spinach keeps you satisfied, preventing those mid-morning snack attacks. Then we have the Almond Berry Blast Smoothie. This one is a total crowd pleaser and perfect if you love something a bit richer and creamier. It combines mixed berries, think strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, with almond milk, a scoop of almond butter for healthy fats and protein, and a touch of vanilla extract. It's like drinking a healthy dessert. The berries are loaded with antioxidants, and the almond butter provides sustained energy and helps keep your blood sugar stable. This one is seriously satisfying and feels indulgent, making it easy to forget you're even on a diet. It's a great meal replacement because it balances protein, healthy fats, and carbs perfectly. Another one that surprised me is the Chocolate Peanut Butter Dream Smoothie. Yes, chocolate and peanut butter. This recipe blends unsweetened cocoa powder, natural peanut butter, banana, spinach, again hidden, and unsweetened almond milk. It's thick, creamy, and tastes just like a milkshake. This is the kind of smoothie that makes you think, how is this healthy? but it absolutely is. It's packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied, while fulfilling that chocolate craving without the guilt. The beauty of these recipes, and the many others in the plan, is how they make healthy eating feel effortless and enjoyable. You're not just drinking a liquid meal, you're fueling your body with vital nutrients that help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and yes, melt away fat. Many people report feeling less bloated, having clearer skin, and experiencing a significant increase in energy levels within just a few days. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energetic, and excited about your day, instead of feeling sluggish and dreading another bland meal. That's the real magic of this diet. It changes how you feel from the inside out, making the process of weight loss a positive, empowering journey rather than a struggle. It's about nourishing your body, not punishing it. And the best part? This isn't just a handful of recipes. The full 21-day smoothie diet plan gives you access to over 36 delicious, fat-melting, meal replacement smoothie recipes. This extensive collection ensures you'll never get bored and always have something new and exciting to try. Beyond the recipes, the plan also includes detailed meal schedules, shopping lists, and tons of informative guides to help you understand how to maximize your results. It's not just a recipe book, it's a complete blueprint for success, designed for Weight Watchers, diet seekers, and anyone looking to transform their body and health. This comprehensive approach is why so many people have found lasting success with it. It takes the guesswork out of healthy eating and provides a clear path to achieve your weight loss goals. You're getting a complete system that teaches you sustainable habits, not just a temporary fix. If you're ready to stop the diet, merry-go-round, and finally experience a plan that works, tastes amazing, and makes you feel incredible, you owe it to yourself to check this out. So if you're curious about exploring all 361 of these incredible, fat-melting smoothie recipes and taking the first step towards a healthier you, you can find the complete 21-day smoothie diet plan through the link in the description below. Click the link in the description to discover more transformative health tips.